are the most popular crop among American home gardeners. Garden writer Jessica Damiano says there are many good reasons to grow your own tomatoes. Just the smell of homegrown tomatoes, Damiano says, will remind you of summer. A major benefit of growing your own tomatoes is variety. If you visit a garden center, you will find seeds and small starter plants for yellow tomatoes, purple tomatoes, huge tomatoes, and even very small tomatoes. There are kinds you simply cannot find at a local food store.
Damiano loves tomatoes. In fact, she created and hosted the Great Long Island Tomato Challenge while working for a local newspaper in the state of New York. The gatherings of people who love tomatoes, or tomatophiles, continued for 13 years. One tomato that was entered into the challenge weighed more than 2.3 kilos. Damiano also got to meet and speak with the competitive tomato growers who raised the winning fruits. It did not take long for her to notice some common practices among them. Tomatoes are not difficult to grow. The most important things are to give the plants plenty of water, well-draining soil, heat, and light. It is best to grow tomatoes in a place that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Removing weeds will keep pests and diseases away, giving the plants enough nutrients to produce more.
Tomatoes grow best in soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. If the pH reading is lower than 6.0, you can add about 2 cups of dolomitic lime into the soil for each plant. Make sure to mix it deep into the soil, down to around 30 centimeters. If you want to grow really big tomatoes, try following these 7 tips from expert growers.
1. Select tomato seeds
or part of a gene removed or inactivated by genetic engineering. In addition, the scientists tested their method on red flower beetles. Those experiments produced results more than 50% of the time, the team reported in the study. The researchers said their results demonstrated that the new method can be used in research involving many kinds of insects. But they noted the process will not work on some kinds of insects that have more complex reproductive systems, such as fruit flies. The team said their method does not require costly equipment, complex experimental setups, or highly skilled laboratory workers. Diamond said, these problems with traditional methods have plagued researchers who wish to perform genome editing on a wide variety of insect species. I'm Brian Lynn. She has 4 limbs, expressive eyes, and likes to walk through greenery in New York City. Happy is an Asian elephant. But can she also be considered a person? The question was before New York's highest court this week. The case involves the Non-Human Rights Project.
Lakes and rivers. The name Yellowstone comes from the river running through the area. At first known as Rock Yellow River, it became known can be as much as 31,000 meters or more. In addition to its beauty and wonder, Yellowstone is an animal sanctuary. It is home to the largest group of wild animals in the 128 United States. As you travel through the park, you can sometimes see in their natural habitat and hear their calls to mate and defend themselves. Listen to this elk signal. There is still the Wild West in America, and its name is Yellowstone. I'm Dorothy Lee.
These messages from our peeps to us. They are seeing something that we have just not seen.
Oh, absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely,
So
yes.
it's not like this doesn't, like every very kind of message. This is a message that has everything that Chris had said. Seriously, this one?
You know, that's a good point, Dr. Max. A lot of people go into a reading with what they want to hear and who they want to hear from, and spirits know what we need to hear. And the thing is, they being electromagnetic energy, you know, my term, the electromagnetic soul, they run a scan of you, and they see in your body where there is energy disruptions, which could be illnesses or potential problems. And the thing is, green foods take the energy of the sun, okay, and they're transmitting that into you. And a lot of people don't like greens. You know, I grew up in a family that we ate vegetables, and it's funny talking about superheroes. I'm thinking when I was a kid, I loved Popeye. Well, what does Popeye always eat? Spinach. So I used to eat spinach because Popeye liked it, you know, and the way my mom made it, it was delicious, you know. And a lot of people don't like it, you know. But the thing is, that's what we're designed to eat. That's what's good, and that's what your mother is telling you, because the greens are going to help you and start feeling better, and that's going to positively, like Dr. Pat pointed out, positively impact you emotionally, mentally, physically, and then as well as spiritually.
Yeah.
So, you know, because we're integrated beings, and that's just, you know, what we eat, garbage in, garbage out. From listeners, 1-800-930-2819. I'll be doing readings. Dr. Pat will be giving inspirational, intuitive, street smart insights. Call on into the show, and be prepared to reveal who your favorite superhero or supervillain is.
And I only have one thing to say to Jacob.
Hit me with it.
I love Green Lantern too. I only wish that Ryan Reynolds loved Green Lantern.
I wasn't gonna go there with that.
I couldn't agree more.